The benefits of owning physical gold goes beyond the possibility of its price rising. Almost no other investment offers the same advantages as gold bullion. Investing with these advantages gives you power. When you own gold, you don't have to worry about earnings reports, dividends, interest payments, or unhappy shareholders. Since it's not affected by those factors, it is free to do what it has been doing for thousands of years, storing value for you. So let's dive in and let's go over the 7 reasons why you should own some gold. Number 1, gold has no counterparty risk. Gold bullion does not require a paper contract to make it whole. Therefore, it is not necessary to use a middleman or another party in order to fulfill a contractual obligation. The reason for this is that gold is the only financial asset that is not simultaneously the liability of some other entity. When bubbles pops or crisis strike, gold will be the last man standing. When your country or economy starts to struggle, that's a powerful tool to have in your portfolio. In addition, it means that gold will never go to zero. Since its inception over 5,000 years ago, it has never happened and never will. Number 2, investing in gold can be a private and confidential process. In today's world, how many assets can you say about that? Physical gold is one of the few assets that can provide you with some privacy. Now, of course, if you make a gain, you must report it on your income tax return. Gold is one of the few investments that can be anonymous. It does not have to be known that you own it if you choose so. Almost no other investment has this benefit. Number 3, gold can protect against appalling politicians. There's no need to be a conspiracy nut to understand that governments sometimes overstep their bounds. It is possible for them to freeze bank accounts, garnish wages, and even confiscate funds. If you ask victims of these actions, they'll tell you that they had no warning. These actions increase during economic or financial crisis. As a result, the government tends to be more aggressive in enforcing its laws because it desperately needs revenue. It's also possible that they simply pass new laws and regulations according to their needs at that specific time. It has happened with virtually every government in history, and it sadly will happen again, especially in times of crisis. Number 4, gold is money. Even though gold is not used today as a currency, its role as money makes it superior to any other currency. Throughout history, gold has been used as money more than any other currency. A gold coin has been a store of value for at least 3,000 years, while the British pound dates back around 500 years. Money promises to serve as a long-term store of value. The promises of gold is better fulfilled than that of any fiat currency. Compared to gold, all major government currencies have lost purchasing power. Number 5, gold is a tangible asset. When you buy physical gold, you can hold it in your hand, something you can't do with most other investments. Now, there is no way for real gold to be destroyed by fire, water, or even time. Gold doesn't need feeding, fertilizer, or maintenance. Unlike other commodities, gold can't be hacked or erased, which is another advantage of being a tangible asset. Gold bullion is not accessible to hackers or identity thieves, unlike brokerage accounts, bank accounts, and credit cards. Number 6, gold is liquid and portable. Additionally, gold is easy to sell and you can carry it anywhere you go. Gold is a highly liquid metal. Any bullion dealer in the world would perhaps buy a gold eagle from you. If you want to sell it, you can go to your local coin shop a private party, or even an online dealer, you can always sell it for cash or trade it for goods. Number 7. Gold protects your portfolio when times get tough. During periods of economic, monetary, or geopolitical crisis, gold can protect your investments, even your standard of living. According to the nature of the crisis, gold may become an offensive profit machine rather than a defensive tool. A crisis that drives fear higher, whether it's from investors worried about the stock market or an event that affects the livelihood of the entire community, gold is a natural safe haven. During a crisis, fear drives people to seek gold. So usually, the greater the fear, the higher the price of gold.